trees and shit. And you gotta watch you don't get poked in the friggin' eye.
Yep, okay, mate.
Because these are all new trails. Half of the time I don't know where I'm going. See this one? Turn. There's the 402, look. 402 is the main highway. Got a bit of a lip on it. Okay, now we're on the 402. You afraid to go a little fast?
Yeah, go for it.
Because if you run with me... This is... Oh, we missed the sign. That's Team's butt. Get a picture of that. Remember I told you the root sticking out of the tree?
Yep. I don't know if that's got it or not.
You gotta get off and take it. Or actually, let me take a picture of you with it. Because you gotta be in the pictures.